In this exercise, we are asked to find the areas of some complex figures. We have to use this grid that we're provided with and the dimensions that are given. For example, to find the area of this shape, we notice that the height of this rectangle is 4, which tells us that this right here is 2. So for this shape, the value of this length is 2. That tells us that the base of this rectangle is 10. This is 10, and this is 10. We have the base and the height of this rectangle. We have the base of this parallelogram. We need the height. The height of this parallelogram, given that this is 2, is 6. Now we can find the area of the parallelogram. Is base times height, that is 10 times 6, that is 60 units squared. The area of this rectangle is also base times height. In this case, that's going to be 10 times 4, or 40 units squared. We want to find the dimensions of this shape now, given that this is 5 right here. So this is 5 also. This length right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7. 7. This height is 1. The height of the trapezoid is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The height of this rectangle is 1. The area of this rectangle is base times height, or 5 times 1, or 5. The area of this rectangle is base times height. That's the same as 7 times 1, or 7. The area of this trapezoid, where this is base 1 and this is base 2, that is, the two parallel sides of a trapezoid are called base 1 and base 2. And from that, the area is 1/2 times the height times the sum of B1 and B2. That's the same as the height is 4 times 5 plus 7, and that would be half of that. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. Half of 48 is 24. Units squared. We are normally asked to find the areas of the whole shape. So this one is going to be 60 plus 40, or 100 units squared. And this other shape here is going to be 24 plus 5 plus 7. That is 36 units squared. We have two more shapes here that we don't have formulas to calculate these shapes, but looking at the figures carefully, we can see that the rectangle formed right here has an area of 5 times 10. That's an area of 50. From knowing that this is 50 square units, it's not too hard to calculate the area of this figure. In this other figure, we see that the area of one of these squares is 3 times 3, or 9 square units. From that, we can easily calculate the area of this figure.